Hello everyone! In this clip, we introduce a board game designed to make personal finance easier to understand. This game is called WealthyCats! A game that helps us understand finance through the balance sheet house. The goal is simple, to make yourself wealthier, meaning having the highest net worth when the game ends. When 7 cards have been opened, the round is complete. Before starting to play the next round, there are 3 round closing steps. Step 1. Check the money in the emergency reserve room to receive dividends. Receive 1 coin interest for every 10 coins. The received interest is added to the cash room. Step 2. Check the money in the long-term investment room to receive dividends. Receive 2 coins interest for every 10 coins. The received interest is added to the cash room. Step 3. Check the loan cards in the basement that require interest payment. Unless a rat cage card protects you, you must pay. After completing all 3 round closing steps, if you have enough cash and wish to repay the debt immediately, take 10 coins from the cash room and return 1 loan card to the central bank. In the next round, you will no longer have to pay interest. The score for each round is counted from the value of coins in the cash room, goods room, emergency fund room, and long-term investment room, minus the value of the loan card in the basement. See if your net worth has increased or decreased from the starting money of 30 coins. Before playing the next round, we must clear the coins from all 4 expense slots and return them to the token box first. When starting a new round, don't forget to pay the basic expense of 5 coins according to the rules. If cash is insufficient, you can withdraw money from the emergency fund room to pay first. Those who have the Lucky Wealth card that gives a discount on basic expense only pay 3 coins, and this discount lasts until the end of the game. Alright, enjoy the WealthyCats game and build up your net worth!